Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple 30-day content planner right here in Google Sheets. Plus we'll show you how to use AI to generate ideas and hooks in seconds. No extra software, no complicated tools, just one clean sheet you can reuse every month. We're going to start super simple. At the top, I'm going to create columns for platform, date, topic, hook, script, status, and link, which I already have here. Oops, forgot link. You'll see I have the headers already there. And this will let me show you where it's going, what it's about, how you hook people, the script or the outline, whether it's done, and where to find it. Okay, and I also like to keep all the platforms in one place. So I'll be using YouTube, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikToks, and you can add whatever channel you'll be using. And I dropped in a couple of sample rows just to kind of let you guys see how it would look. As you can see, we have the platform, the date, and the topic, and then the hook and the script will be what we populate here in a few seconds. But before we get there with the AI-generated ideas, there's one more thing I want to do that's going to turn this into almost like a little content assembly line. In the status column here in column F, we'll go ahead and add a couple conditional formatting rules. And as you can see, I've already kind of done that. We'll just create the rule that if whatever text is in that cell, if it's in the idea stage, script stage, filming stage, scheduled or posted, it'll change to different colors. So a way I can show that here, script, I can spell, filming, and posted. And so now you can quickly scan here and see what's out there and where you are and what's going on. Also, you can go a little further by coding the YouTube ideas script filming in a different color, and then YouTube shorts in a different color, and TikTok in a different color. But you don't want to get too crazy that everything's a different color, because then it takes away from the simple, quick scanning ability of it. Okay, so now we'll flip over to ChatGPT and generate the ideas. So you see, I already have the prompt written, 30 content ideas I put kettlebell workouts, but you can put whatever it is, whatever your niche is, that I can post on YouTube, Shorts, Instagram, TikTok. For each idea, give me the platform, the topic, and the hook. And then I also added this, follow the format below, platform date, because that's going to make it easy to post into our Google Sheet. So hit enter. And now AI will do all the heavy lifting and think about everything we need to. As you can see, ChatGPT AI has created all the different ideas for us. So what I'll do now is I'll just copy a couple of them into the Google Sheet. So you see it left the date blank. We can fill that in. And it gave me the topic and the hook. We can clean it up a bit. And you can see now we have script, status, and link still ready to go. Now that it's cleaned up, we can go ahead and go to the second step, which will be having ChatGPT generate the script. So what we'll do is we'll go back to Chat. Now you can see we're going to go ahead and populate the script by putting the topic and the hook right there in the chat prompt. We'll go ahead and hit it. And as this thing runs, it should give us a 60-second script. Now that the script is done, we can go ahead and just take it and we can go ahead and copy it right there into our script column. So back on the Google spreadsheet, whoops, script, go ahead and hit paste. Now you may want to format this a little bit better, which I will do real quick. All right, now that it's finally formatted properly, we can go ahead and continue to show you how the assembly line works. Now that you have your script here, you can just go ahead and populate in this cell here in F. We can just go ahead and populate script. That's going to flip, and then now on all these other ones, you have all your ideas. And that's it. Now this becomes your little assembly line. This is your 30-day content planner right here in Google Sheets using AI to fill out with ideas, hooks, and scripts. You can duplicate this sheet every month, change platforms, adjust the colors, but the workflow stays the same. Thanks for watching.